I wish you all a very productive morning, one and all present over here. Today, we too are engaged here for talking about one of the incredible mission of ISRO. Before starting our topic, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Krishna.
And my name is Swara.
So, as you know that before few weeks we have get the successful achievement in Chandrayaan 3, but India was not satisfied with that, and now trying to get more. That's why India launched its first solar mission, which is Aditya L1. Yes, we are talking about the Aditya L1.
Now, I would like to tell you some information about the Sun. Our Sun is the nearest star and the largest object in the solar system. The estimate age of Sun is about 4.5 billion years. The Sun is a hot glowing ball which have hydrogen and helium. The distance from the Sun to the Earth is about 150 million kilometers. The gravity of Sun holds all the object of the solar system. Then I would like to tell you the layers of Sun. First, the innermost layer of the Sun, core. Nuclear reaction take place in this core, where the hydrogen and helium gas are converted into energy. The temperature of this innermost core is about 150 million degrees Celsius. Then comes the radiative zone. About 70% of the Sun radius is covered by radiative zone. Then convective zone. Here the energy is transferred to convection. That's why its name is convective zone. Then the visible surface of the Sun is known as photosphere, where here the temperature is relatively cold. The temperature of this layer is 5500 degrees Celsius. Then above this layer there is a layer chromosphere, where the temperature again rises. The temperature rises up from the 6000 degrees Celsius to 20,000 degrees Celsius. And the last layer, outermost layer of the Sun, corona. This corona is different from the coronavirus. The corona have relatively hot and plasma.
Now, you all have one question that what is the need? Why should we have to study the Sun? So, the reason behind this is, as you all know, that Sun is a ball of hydrogen and helium. So, the millions of nuclear fission takes place here, and this can cause various phenomena which emits the tremendous amount of heat, and if this is directed toward the Earth, it will cause several disturbance in our Earth's atmosphere. That's why we should have to learn the Sun in better way for our better future. Swara, do you know that why we should have to learn Sun only from space?
Yes, I know. To understand how the solar winds, particles, and the magnetic field from the Sun, travel through interplanetary space, where need to be performed from a point which is very far away from the influence of Earth magnetic field. That's why we need to study the Sun only from the space.
Yes. Now, talking about the space weather, the Sun constantly form several phenomena, and this will cause the radiation. This will cause radiation, light, and and the byproduct of this is the magnetic field, which affect the Earth, and for that the solar weather is needed. The solar weather means the weather of the space. Is the weather of the space in the vicinity of Earth.
After exploring the moon, India is set to explore the Sun. The ISRO's first solar mission, named Aditya L1. Krishna, do you wonder why ISRO has named the first mission as Aditya L1? What does it mean?
Yes, the reason behind this is Aditya L1 is named after the word. Aditya refers that sun in Sanskrit, and L1 is a Lagrange point one from where the mission is going on. This is the complete mission of 5.2 years. Moving towards the spacecraft used in this mission, it is the PSLV XL C57. C57. It is the spacecraft having the mass of 244 kg. 244 kg. The budget moving towards the budget of this whole mission, that is 375 crore approximately, and near about 400 crores. This mission not only tell the ISRO's capability, but also tell the future in to handle the future interplanetary system. Now Swara, can you explain me about the Lagrange point one?
Yes, the Lagrange point is that point in space where the two gravitational pull of heavenly object is at equal medium. So if at that point is anything, if at that point, if anything at that particular place, it will be not pulled by any of the object over there. Hence name Aditya L1. Krishna, I want to ask you one question. Is Aditya L1 a complete mission
To study.
to study?
Yes. The answer behind this is of course not, because this mission is only for the study of the solar atmosphere by using the seven payloads. This is not the complete mission to study the complete sun, as Swara has mentioned earlier that the sun is the largest and heaviest celestial body in our solar system. That's why it is too hard to study the whole sun.
Now we would like to give our self-opinion. My self-opinion about this is the study of sun is important because the sun detects the future of our planet and our solar system, including the Earth. This mystery needs to be solved.
My opinion behind this is, after this, this was one of the successful mission of ISRO, and after this we get much more information about the sun, which is undiscoverable by this world. And India also do the progress in this part in future.
I appreciate for the opportunity to speak with you today. Here we conclude our topic by saying one slogan. The sun is a daily reminder that we can rise again the darkness
and that can shine our own light. Thank you so much for your kind attention.